Hello everyone and welcome to PC Error Detective. Today I'm going to show you how to refresh screen in Windows 10 quickly and easily so you can fix display issues in no time. Step 1. Right-click the Windows button located at the bottom left corner of your screen. This opens a menu with many useful options for managing your system. It's important because it gives you quick access to system tools like Task Manager. Step 2. Select Task Manager from the list of options. Task Manager helps you monitor running apps and processes, and it's essential for managing Windows Explorer if your screen is not refreshing properly. Step 3. In the Task Manager window, locate Windows Explorer under the Apps section. Windows Explorer controls your desktop, taskbar, and file management, so finding it here is key to refreshing your screen. Step 4. Right-click Windows Explorer and select Restart. This action temporarily closes and reopens Explorer, which often fixes screen freezing or display glitches. Step 5. Wait for the screen to turn white or gray for a few seconds and then return to normal. This indicates that Windows Explorer has restarted successfully, refreshing your desktop and solving the display issue. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to subscribe to PC Error Detective for more helpful Windows tips.